Giving up all your favorite foods, that is. It's why so many of us have given up on dieting. Now, Forever Living Products changes all that with new Forever Lean. Forever Lean helps your body block out the fats and carbohydrates found in the foods you love. So even if you indulge a little, it won't end up where you don't want it. Forever Lean reduces your calorie intake naturally with two of nature's most potent blockers, Indian fig and white kidney bean. The leaves of the Indian fig cactus, commonly known as prickly pear, are loaded with natural fat-binding fibers. In your stomach, these fibers bond with fats, preventing them from being absorbed by your small intestine. Once attached to the fiber, these fats simply pass through your body and are expelled naturally. To curb carbohydrates, Forever Lean contains a natural protein extract derived from white kidney beans. This revolutionary extract inhibits the digestive enzyme that breaks down carbs into simple sugars. Without breaking down, carbohydrates can't be absorbed by your digestive system, so they pass right through, reducing your calorie intake. Now, no dietary supplement can take the place of a healthy diet and regular exercise. But then, none of us can expect to cut out all of our favorite foods all of the time either. Forever Lean works in combination with diet and exercise to help keep your calorie count down even when you give in to a little temptation, so you can indulge without the bulge. New Forever Lean Dietary Supplement from Forever Living Products. Start slimming down without giving up.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.